Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. I'm for my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I'll describe small woodworking project you can sell for profit. Small woodworking project you can make and sell for profit. Perfect for beginners or hobbyists looking to turn their skill into income. And wooden coaster, white sell. Simple to make and always in demand, especially as a gift or home decor. So use wood burning techniques to add a design, initial or patterns for personalization, and a picture frame. Why it sell? Customized wooden picture frames are popular for home decor and gift, and offer various sizes and finishes and consider adding engraving or hand painted detail. So wooden phone stand, why it sells? With everyone knowing smartphones, a stylish phone stand can be useful and attractive items. So create a minimalist design with smooth edge and use different wood types of variety. So cutting board, why it sell? Handmade cutting board are always in demand, especially with a hardboard like maple, walnut, or cherry. So, for custom shapes or wood or grains patterns to make each board unique, and a wooden jewelry holder. Why sell? I do, guys. It is also question. Practical and stylish jewelry holder appeal to people looking for a unique storage solution. So use a small hook, dowels, and slots to create spaces for rings, earrings, and necklaces. So wooden key holder, wide cells, simple and functional key holder can be easily customized with a different design and hooks. So add a small shelf or spaces for mail, for multifunctional items, and wooden planter stand. My dear guys, why it sell? Indoor planters are trendy, and stylish plant stands add a charm to homes. So offer varying height and sizes to accommodate different plant types. So wooden bottle openers, why it sell? Wooden bottle openers. My dear guys, wall mounted or handheld bottle openers with a rustic wooden design make great gift or kitchen accessories. So add a magnet to catch bottle caps for added functionality and a wooden shelves. Why itself? Floating wooden shelves are popular for their clean and modern look. So offer different length and finishes to match various decoring style. So as a wooden serving trays, stylish wooden trays are great for serving drinks, food, or as a decorative centerpieces. So customize with handle, wood burn design, or inland patterns for higher value. So wooden candle holder, white seller. These small and functional items are perfect for rustic or minimalist home decor. Create sets of various sizes and shapes to increase sales. And wooden toy blocks, white cells. Parents love safe handmade wooden toys for their children and ensure the wood is sanded smooth and use non-toxic finishes for safety. So some wooden bookends and the question also, white cells. Creative, well-made bookend add a charm to bookshelves and make great gifts. So incorporate theme or shapes like animal, initial or geometric design. So wood cheese board, white cell, wooden cheese or charactery board are popular entertaining and gifts. So offer custom engraving or inland design to increase the product appeal. And a wooden wine rack are also my do guys. So also my do guys question me white cell. Wine lover and always looking with for a stylish storage solution. Design compact tabletop version or wall-mounted racks for smaller spaces. So as a wooden wall art, my dear guys. Rustic or modern wooden wall art adds character to home and offices. So use a combination of staining, painting, and wood burning to create a unique design. So wooden trivets, white cell, heat resistant. My dog is it can be much inspirable and protect the surface wooden trivet from hot pots and pans while adding a rustic touch to the kitchen. So experiment with the geometric patterns or natural wood slices for a unique look. So wooden coat rack, practical and customizable wooden coat racks are ideal for entryways and combine wood and metal hooks for more stylish and functional design. So as a wooden keepsakes boxes, white cell, handmade keepsakes boxes are great for storing personal item or as a gift. So for personalization like engraved names or custom sizes, it can be a so wooden napkin holder. White cell are simple but elegant pieces for dining tables. Wooden napkin holders can be easily customized and use wood burning to add monograms or floral designs. So wooden keychain, my dear guys. White cell, small and affordable wooden keychain make excellent gift and souvenirs. Create a variety of shapes such as animal, initial, or geometric patterns. It can be much interesting able. So wooden clipboard, my dear guys. Wooden clipboard offer a unique, stylish alternative to plastic or metal version. So finish with a high quality varnish to protect the wood and give it a smooth feel. So wooden wall hook, these are both decorative and functional, perfect for hanging coats, bags, or towels, and offer multiple hook design insect for a different home style. And some wooden serving spoon, a handmade wooden spoon, are popular in farmhouse or rustic style. So, my dear guys, I think that my video and my idea inspired you much. And if inspired, then subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video with your affectionate love. So, thank you very much.